Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you to expand your vocabulary, learn English, and speak like a native Englishman. But if you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button below. But until then, let's get started with indirect questions. Ooh, indirect questions. Okay, so they're more polite and formal. Polite and formal than most other questions out there. So let's have a look firstly at indirect open questions. So more formal and not straight to the point, but more taking a slight detour to the question, trying to get the answer. Yeah, as opposed to more relaxed, more gentle, taking the scenic route in grammar. Yeah. Yeah, that's an interesting way of putting it. So let's look at the sentence. Where's the hotel? Where's the hotel? Oh. Where's the hotel? We're in New York City. We're lost. Where's the hotel? So, there's some phrases you could use. Do you know? Do you know where the hotel is? Could you tell me? Could you tell me where the hotel is? Do you know where the hotel is? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Oh, please, could you tell me? Could you tell me where the hotel is? Please? Please? Do you know? Do you know how much it will cost? How much it will be? Do you know how long it will be? Do you know how long the train will be? 6 hours, 1 hour, 6 minutes? Oh, whoo! Could you tell me why? Could you tell me why he is late? Could you tell me why he is late? Do you know why he's late? Do you know why he's late? Could you tell me why I'm writing in red? Could you tell me? Do you know why I'm writing in red? There's a very specific reason, but never mind that. Let's look at the grammar then. So, opening phrase, do you know, could you tell me? Do you know, could you tell me? Question word, where, when, who, what, where, when, why. And beyond, whose, how, whom, to whom. Subject, the car, the party, the dance, the drink, the house, anything, the bin, the wind, the book, the muck, the truck, the duck. Verb, an action word, doing. In this case we have is and starts. Is and starts. Yeah. So, do you know where do you know where the car is? The car. Where's that Porsche Panamera at? Porsche Panamera. It's a 5-door Porsche Panamera. V-cylinder, 12 V-engine, 12-piston 12-piston V-engine. Where is it? 4-wheel drive. It's nice black. It's a 19 plate as well. Okay, where is it? Do you know where the car is? Do you know... Subject, do you know where the Porsche is? Do you know... Where's the Ferrari? Do you know where the Ferrari is at? Oh, actually, here's one. Do you know where the Lotus 7... I think it's Lotus or Lexus. I keep forgetting. Really nice bit of a relic car. Do you know where the Lexus 7 is? Where? Do you know? I don't know. Do you know? Or where's the Land Rover Defender? That's a good off-road car, that is. Where is it? Do you know? 'Cause I don't know. Could you tell me? Oh, please, please, could you tell me where the party is? Where's the party? Where's the party? Where's the party at, guys? Could you tell me where the party is, guys? Could you tell me where the border is? Going to Gibraltar. Could you tell me where the border is? Or even, could you tell me when the border opens? Could you tell me when the bus arrives? When will the bus be here? Could you tell me when the plane will leave? Could you tell me when the plane will arrive? Could you tell me when the party starts? Yeah, had that one. Could you tell me, oh please, could you tell me when the party ends? Oh, so tired, man. When does it end, man? I'm tired. I need to get out of here. Oh, so tired. Oh. all sorts of different phrases and questions and queries and comments and ideas and all the rest. So cool stuff. So that's indirect open, much more polite with these phrases as opposed to going in. When does the party start? When is the flight? When is the train here? When is this? When that? Who said this? Who said that? Much more direct. But indirect is, babe, could you tell me please? Yeah. Let's keep going. There's always more to learn. Let's keep going. Let's look at the indirect closed question. We had open question where there's multiple answers. Here, there, yes, no, maybe, who knows, whatever. Closed. Yes or no. Linear, binary, this or that. Not that or this. It's this or that. Closed. Much more difficult to answer, to say the least. We use is and whether a lot with these. Is it this? Is it that? Whether or not? Whether this? Whether that? Whether. So we could say then, let's say, is it snowing outside? Is it snowing outside? No ifs, no buts, no maybe, the blah 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 blah. Yes or no? Is it snowing outside? A very direct question. Direct. Is it snowing outside? But an indirect question will say, do you know if it is snowing outside? If it is snowing outside. Could you tell me whether it is snowing outside or not? You tell me. Closed question. Yes or no answer. How cool is that? So, could you tell me if it is £10 or £20 or maybe or 30? I can't remember. Could you tell me if it? Could you tell me if it's £10 or 20? Yes or no? Well, 10 or multiple choice, A or B, 10 or 20. Could you tell me if it is left or right? Is it left or right? I can't remember. Oh, left. Do you know whether the book is good or not? The book. The book is good or not? I can't remember. Depends on the book. Depends on the book. There's so many of them. Yes, no, maybe. Which book do you mean? Could you tell me if it is snowing outside? Is it snowing outside? Not really. I'd like it to be snowing. Oh, it's so much fun when it snows. But it's not snowing. No. Just cloudy. Cloudy and overcast. Oh well. Do you know whether... do you know whether we add salt or... not salt, sugar or brown sugar to the cake? I can't remember. Which one is it? Sugar or brown sugar? One or the other. Can't remember. Can't remember. I've lost the recipe. Oh dear, the cake could get ruined. Who knows? Who knows? This fictitious cake. Alright. So let's look at the sentence structure. So opening phrase. Do you know, could you tell me? Do you know, could you tell me? If or whether. If. Do you know if is left or right? Could you tell me whether this or not, or whether that? Do you know if, subject, it, they, for example, we, she, they, him, her, that, it is snowing. Do you know if it is snowing? It is snowing. Could you tell me whether it is left or right? Could you tell me whether she is here? She is here or there? Is she here at the party or is she over there next door? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Do you know if they are being a verb, the verb of being, they are. Do you know if they are, if they're dancing together? Are they dancing together? Don't know. Let's find out. Do you know if you are going to subscribe to the channel or not? If you are going to subscribe. Could you tell me whether this is red or blue? Red or blue? You tell me. How cool is that? Interesting. Yeah, so, pretty cool, isn't it? So, indirect closed question using if or whether. If or is this, is that, isn't it? Whether or not. Whether, Could you tell me whether this is blue or not? One or the other. There's always choices, multiple choices in a closed, but open could be anything. The question could be anything. Yeah, maybe, whatever. I'm not too sure. Closed, yes, no, this, that, this, that, here, there, blah, blah. Cool. Let's look at some common mistakes then. Because the common mistakes are quite common as always. That's what they are, common mistakes. So, the word order is the same, regardless if it's open or closed. So, could you tell me where the office is? Could you tell me when are you open? So those are fine. Yeah, that's fine, as it is. But it's that when we start moving the auxiliary do and the verb in the wrong place. Could you tell me where is the office? We'll move that there. Not really, don't need that. Don't need it there. It's at the end. Could you tell me when do you open? Not necessarily. Just when you open. Could you tell me when you open? When do you open? First, that sounds a bit too many words for the same meaning. Just when you are open. Could you tell me when you are open? Do you know whether you are open at 9 or 8? Do you know whether you close at 6 or 7? Could you tell me when do you close? When you close? Nah, a bit more direct. Well, the indirect question is a bit more direct when you remove the auxiliary do. Just straight to more to the point. It's just too many words that just dilutes the meaning a little bit. Because we know what you're talking about. It's just too many words. It's, too much fluff, so to speak. Like, could you tell me where is the office? Like, no, where the office is. Could you tell me when? Could you tell me where do you park the car? No. Could you tell me where you park? Could you tell me where you park? Yeah. But what's interesting is native speakers, even if you include the do in the is, they'll know what you mean. Could you tell me where do you park? They'll know what you mean. Could you tell me where is the office? They'll know what you mean. They won't recognise the chances are. The chances are they won't recognise the mistake, but they'll know precisely what you mean, and that's invaluable. It's better to be clear than clever when it comes to language, in terms of like fanciness. Be clear, so we know what you're talking about, as opposed to being fancy and elaborate and forsooth, for whom, for thou, all that elaborate nonsense. Don't worry too much. Yeah. However, could you tell me though, if you want to learn English, expand your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman, then would it be okay if you hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads? How cool is that? Until then, bye for now.